Hey designers! In this video, we're going to create this pop-out effect from an Instagram frame, and it's going to be a very beginner-friendly tutorial. Create a new composition and just press OK. Then we'll import the Instagram frame and scale it down because it's a huge picture. After that, create a new solid layer. Make sure to unlink the scale values so we can adjust the height and width separately. And we're going to match the solid layer to fit right over the post area. We'll import our video and drag it onto the timeline. Then select the video, press F4 if you don't see the track matte options, and change the video's track matte to the solid we made. Now you'll see the video is only visible inside that solid area. Adjust the position and scale of the video if needed. And finally, select the video layer and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it, because we'll use that for the pop-out effect. Now, first of all, remove the matte from the video layer by setting it to No Track Matte. With that layer selected, go to the toolbar and choose the RotoBrush tool. Now click on the video in the composition panel. It will automatically open the layer panel where we'll work on the subject. Start selecting your subject by brushing over it, and you'll see the tool automatically starts detecting and selecting it. If it accidentally selects an area you don't want, just hold down Alt and paint over that part. It will subtract it from the selection. Once your selection looks good, press the spacebar and let After Effects analyze the frames. It will track and keep your subject selected throughout the video. After it's done, go back to the main composition, and now you'll see your subject has been separated from the background nicely. Now, select the shape layer and draw a shape like this. Make sure the shape starts exactly where the Instagram frame ends. We're adding this bigger shape because when the man's hand moves from the bottom to the top, the idea is that the hand should only show once it crosses that frame boundary. So after creating the shape, select the video layer and change its track matte from No Track Matte to the shape layer we just created. Next, check the invert option next to the track matte, and you'll see that the video is now hidden in the area covered by the shape. Let's preview the animation to see how it looks. So at the point where the animation ends, press N on the keyboard to trim the timeline from that point. Once that's done, go to the project panel and create a new composition. Inside this new comp, create a new solid layer, then drag and drop the first composition into this new one. Go to Effects and Presets, search for Drop Shadow, and apply it to the comp layer. Increase the distance and softness of the shadow to give it a better look. Now press F4 to reveal the 3D options and enable 3D for this layer. Then go to the Transform properties, hold down Alt, and click on the stopwatch next to Orientation. This will open the expression Editor. Inside that, type wiggle parenthesis, and inside it write 1,2, then click anywhere outside the box to apply it. Now let's preview the animation and you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.